guys, welcome back to Mini Bike Store video blog. In this video I'm gonna show you step by step how to properly start the NRG 50. It's the same procedure for the 10-inch wheel or 12 and 10-inch wheel or 14 and 12-inch model. So all the NRG 50 engines, this video will be about how to properly start the engine. So the NRG 50, it's a two-stroke engine, so you need to mix the petrol with oil. The ratio is 20:1. It is very important. It's not 25:1 as in other bikes. In this one it's 20:1. So with the bike you will get the mixing bottle, and when you look close on one side you will see signs for 20:1. And how to mix it, you have to fill the petrol up to the first line and then put the oil up to the second line, shake it well, and then you can fill the tank. When you have fuel ready, you can put the fuel into the tank. Next, check the kill switch, make sure it's placed well. So make sure the kill switch is well in position. You can also check the on-off switch, make sure it's not stuck inside, that is working properly. Next you need to open the petrol tap. So the petrol tap is just here, and turn it to on, like this. Next step is you have to open the choke. The choke is just here, so you need to pull the choke up, twist it a little bit, and it will stay up. So we have added properly mixed fuel into the tank, we have checked the switches, we have the petrol tap open, the choke in up position, and we can start the bike now. To start the bike, hold both brakes, open the kickstart and kick a few times till the bike starts. After the bike starts, you have to twist the choke, and the choke will come back to down position, and now start the bike again. After you start the bike for the first time, you may need to adjust the low idle speed. So this screw here on the carburetor, that's where you adjust the low idle speed. So when you turn that screw into the left, it will lower the idle speed. If you turn it to the right, it will higher the idle speed. Now you can start the bike again and leave it running for a few minutes. You should properly brake in the engine. So for the first tank, don't use the bike, just leave it running on the low idle speed, give some throttle, and make sure the engine properly brakes in. Same for the next two tanks, you should go on the bikes very easy, don't go on the full throttle. The bike will have much more power in the future and will last you for much longer. So now you can start the bike and leave it running for a few minutes.